All right, here we go. Last but not least, number 20. We have a negative 6x minus 3 is less than or equal to a negative 4x plus 1. So again, just a regular inequality, not a conjunction. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my 6x. I have a negative 6x to the other side. So negative 6x, I add 6x. Negative 6x plus 6x is 0, so I have a negative 3 left on this side. It's less than or equal to a negative 4x plus 6x. That becomes a positive 2x plus 1. Now I have this plus 1 I need to get rid of, so I subtract 1 from both sides. A negative 3 minus 1 is a negative 4, less than or equal to, and on this side 2x because my 1's canceled out. Again, I need to divide by 2 on both sides. A negative 4 divided by a positive 2 is a negative 2, less than or equal to, 2's go to 1, x. And x is greater than or equal to a negative 2. And we graph that one. Because it's greater, x greater than or equal to negative 2, it's a closed circle. And greater than means we're shading this side right here. So there is all 20 of the problems on the test worked out. Hopefully you are understanding. I strongly suggest that you go back through these videos and write them out with me as I'm talking, if you haven't already done that, and write them out as I'm talking, because that will make it get ingrained in your brain how these work, and that'll help you out. If you still are having difficulties understanding this, be specific with me and let me know what exactly is troubling you, what step is giving you troubles, in which problems, so that we can address those issues. And then if you want to retake the test, when you are ready, let me know and we will set up a time for you to do that. Thank you so much and have a great afternoon. Don't forget to look at Unit 2. We have started Unit 2 now, and everything from here on out will be posted under Unit 2. Have a great afternoon.